My name's Terrence. I'm a content development manager. I give SharePoint a 4 out of 5 star review, and for more reviews, click below. Before Microsoft SharePoint, we would save all of our files on our local computer hard drives. It did not work for us because sometimes we use very large files, and we would have to send them as attachments via email, which became very difficult. We chose Microsoft SharePoint because we are big fans of the Office 365 suite of products. We are already using Teams and Excel, and SharePoint was a natural progression in our file sharing and collaboration efforts. Getting started with SharePoint was somewhat difficult in that it took some time to migrate all of our files over from local hard drives, etc., over to a SharePoint site. Also in the rollout of SharePoint and getting people used to using that rather than saving things to their C drive or to their desktop. Also in getting people trained on how to properly utilize SharePoint took some time. So the entire process did take a while. It was a little difficult, but once we got used to it, it became much easier. For anyone getting Microsoft SharePoint, I would recommend first establishing a subject matter expert, someone who is the SharePoint go-to person. I would recommend gathering all of your files and getting ready for that migration. And I would recommend spending a lot of time organizing your files and making sure that they're easy to access after you've moved them over to SharePoint. I also recommend utilizing the SharePoint sites rather than just the document library, as that can make your life a lot easier.